Hey everybody, it's your girl Mimi of 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐻, and today we're going to learn how to make modeling chocolate. Now, it's probably one of my favorite cake mediums because it is so incredibly easy to make with just 2 ingredients, and it is extremely delicious. To get us started, we're going to measure out 2 pounds of chocolate coins or candy melts into a large mixing bowl and 3/4 cup light corn syrup. You want to pre-measure the syrup so it'll be ready when you have to incorporate it into the melted chocolate. Place the corn syrup to the side. I use a double boiler system to melt my chocolate just because I like to watch the chocolate melt at a very slow pace. And to be honest, I feel like I have more control over the melting process. But hey, this is just what works for me. If you choose to, you can instead melt your chocolate in 30-second intervals in your microwave. If you choose this method, you must take the bowl out after each interval to mix the coins until every piece is melted. Do not melt the chocolate for longer than 30-second intervals because you risk the chance of burning the chocolate. If you choose the double boiler method, you want the water to simmer, not boil. Take your time with this process to avoid any hiccups. You may end up standing over and watching the bowl, but as the saying goes, all things come to those who wait. Now, once the chocolate is fully melted without any chunks, remove the bowl from the pan and slowly start to incorporate the corn syrup. Now, this is when you must take your time and pay attention to your mixture. Fold the corn syrup into the chocolate. Please do not just mix it. Keep folding the mixture until all the syrup swirls are gone. Once the chocolate starts to seize, you'll have to stop folding. If you continue to fold beyond this stage, the fats in the chocolate will start to separate and you will end up with a gloopy wet mess. Around this point is the best point to stop folding. Once the chocolate has started to seize, I dump the mixture onto a saran wrap, making sure to get every ounce of it out of the bowl. I then take and fold each side of the saran wrap to the opposite side to cool down the mixture. Once wrapped, I place it on the side to set up, and this typically can take place within about 4 to about 8 hours. To make chocolate where you're going to have to add darker gel colors to it, I tend to make a mixture of white chocolate, which is about 75% of it, to semi-dark, which is about 25%. I use the same process of melting and folding as you did with the white chocolate. It makes it easier to color darker colors such as blue, red, and black. When you're ready to use your modeling chocolate, you can warm the pieces in the microwave in 5-second intervals until the chocolate starts to soften, but make sure to not overheat or the fats will start to separate, which is what we do not want. And here you go, a simple yet yummy recipe for making modeling chocolate. Tell me in the comments if you've tried making modeling chocolate yourself and how did you use it in your cake design. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video and want to learn more techniques for creating amazing cake designs, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an amazingly sweet day.